Hi, all you beauties, welcome back, and welcome to all those coming for the first time. Without wasting your time, मुझे आपके साथ शेयर करना है मेरा नायका पिंक फ्राइडे सेल का शॉपिंग हॉल. So let's dive in. First and foremost, I picked up my one of my favorite shower gels from the Body Shop. I love the Satsuma one. It's amazing. It's one of my go-tos and I can't stop using it. The second one that I have got is for the very first time. This is something that I'm trying for the very first time and I'm honestly a little skeptical. Lekin let's see how it works. Wishcare ka Super Bright C16 Vitamin C Serum. I'm not using it right now, but yes, I've used it a couple of times since the time I've got it. The other one that I got for the very first time to try it out is this set from Wadi Herbals, which contains vitamin C toner, um, a saffron face wash, a Chandan Kesar Haldi face pack, and saffron shower gel. I've used only the face pack so far, and it is only once I've used it so far, and it has performed okay. I was as is not expecting any great results. It just does what a face pack does, and let's see how this fares once I use it. The next thing that I've got from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale is I've tried a lipstick from this brand before, and honestly, it was not transfer proof, so I wasn't very happy about it. But then they never claimed it to be a transfer proof lipstick. Nonetheless, the pigment was there, and it was their Pout It Out crayon. However, this one just attracted me a bit, and I thought I should try this once. It's a gel liner. It's been a long time since I've used a gel liner, so I'm using their Wink Artist 2-in-1 gel liner for eyelining and for brow purposes. This is what it comes with. It has this dual-ended brush, tiny, however, it is effective, and the pigment is brown as claimed. So we will definitely check it out because it claims to work for up to 36 hours. So that's the other one. The other one that I'm actually using and I'm quite hopeful that it actually works is the Glycolic Bright 3% vitamin C, niacinamide, and glycolic dark circle under eye serum. I am getting these marks over here because I wear those swim goggles, and because it's obviously getting a little pigmented. I really need some help, so I'm using this, and I'll see how this fares up. I'm using it precisely from about 12 days, and I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that this works. So that is one. The other one that is for the first time that I'm trying again is a Streaks product. I've never used Streaks before. However, I'm hopeful that it works, and it's a heat protectant spray, and it says that it has no nasties. So that really did make me think about buying this. And it also primarily, it actually says that it gives heat protection for up to 250 degrees. So I do tend to use a flat iron on my hair. Swimming and flat iron is like a disastrous combo for your hair. So and also that I do root touch-ups for my grays now. So yes, the entire pigment just goes off the charts. However, let's see if this really works. I've not used it. It's still sealed. The other one that I'm trying for the very first time, so there's a lot of products that I'm going to be trying for the first time. The other one is this Bronson Professional Micellar Water. I got it for dirt cheap, so 99 rupees to be precise. So I was very happy about the fact. There is another gimmicky product that I've got from Bronson Professional because it just attracted me. So this is this gadget which I was hopeful that it will be of really good quality. I don't know why I assumed so. However, it works. but I'm not happy about putting these plastic bristles on my hair. And you definitely should not be using it if you have knots in your hair, because these plastic ones don't do much. The one thing that I'll give this to this product is that once you're done with it, you actually just push it in, and whatever's left around over here, you can just wipe it off, all the hair, if you know what I mean. The other one that I'm trying for the first time and I'm absolutely loving it is this Glam 21 microblading eyebrow, dual ended eyebrow pencil. So it has this retractable eyebrow product, and the spoolie with it, which again really helps, very handy for traveling. I've already traveled with it. It all works very well. The other thing that actually I'm going to be trying for the first time again, but it's a Dermat recommended product and I'm going to be trying it for the first time. Let's see if this really works for me. Is this Bioderma Sensi Bio Defensive Rich cream, or whatever it is. It's a cream. It's a active soothing cream for moisturization, which strengthens the skin defense against aggressions. Let's see. And also I really want to apologize, really sorry, पीछे से बहुत आवाज आ रही होगी. I'm literally staying, touching a road, how do I say it, and I'm on the first floor, so there's going to be plenty of noise, so please ignore the noise. Try to stay back as much as possible. The other one that I'm going to be using the very first time is the L'Oreal concealer. I've used plenty of L'Oreal compacts and foundations. However, when it comes to concealer, I've been really consistently using the Maybelline concealer. Where have I kept it? I've just come back from a travel, so I've moved some of the things into my travel vanity. So I'm just navigating between those two packs where I've kept all my products. Okay, great. I can't find it. So I've always been a Maybelline girly. However, I'm trying the L'Oreal one this time, and I've used it once and it works really well. Excellent coverage, it stays on, and it just really works very well. The other product that I'm going to be trying for the very first time is this K Beauty's loose powder. Apparently it's a very good loose powder as per the reviews, so I needed one because I've not run out of the powder that I actually have, but it's expired, so I had to restock on this. Another product, yet another one in the list that I'm going to be trying for the very first time, I've actually bought it consciously for my upcoming travel, is this Triangle Puff from Earth Rhythm, and it comes in a case, so that was like great. This is going to be very handy for traveling. That's why I've got this. This is my third repurchase of this particular product, that is the K Beauty's Cozy Coral shade of their cream blush. Superlative product, superlative performance. We all know that K Beauty, when it comes to beauty products, they are doing something really good and great, and I'm very excited about this brand every time it comes up with something new. However, their new line I've not tried yet because there's a whole lot of things that are pending yet. So this one is another one of my most favorite products to use on almost a daily basis, whenever I'm getting ready, that is. The other one that I jumped at was these Essence lipsticks. I love Essence. All you beauty girlies who actually rely on a lot of different brands would know that Essence is like, it's a must have in your vanity. You must have it. It's also very cost effective and it just performs really well. These are mask proof, and from the past 1 month there's no way that you can survive in Mumbai without a mask. I know I'm complaining in a shopping haul video, but then that's the reality. So these are mask proof and I really like these. Then comes the Shryon lipstick. This brand attracted me because of its price and I thought I should try it. And I love both these shades. Guys, do check these out. One of them is 08 Drama Mama. The other one is number 13 Vamp. Both these shades are really beautiful on me. I'm going to use this. I swatched it on my lips already off camera. I love them and I'm going to use them for my upcoming travel. Another product that I've used and I'm loving it is blush shower from Mars. This is again another cream blush. Before I purchased the K Beauty, I ran out of my existing K Beauty product and I had to buy something else in the meanwhile because I was waiting for some prices to drop and I was waiting for the Pink Friday sale. So in the meantime, I got this one because it's very cost effective and it surprisingly is a good product. It is great for those everyday, if you're going for a small outing, dinner, or you're just going by and meeting up, catching up with my friends or something of that sort. This really works well. Then comes the next product is my restock of the Maybelline Kajal, and I'm also going to be trying the Mars eyebrow pencil because I tend to run out of these products really very fast. I use them almost daily. Then comes the FC Perfect Pout Matte Lip Liner. I am sorry, I don't know the shade names, but these are two. And then there is this Essence Eye Pencil, a green one, and it's a beautiful green. If I were to show you right now, that is another thing from my purchase. Then comes some skincare that I have bought from Nykaa for the very first time. This is Aroma Magic. I like Aroma Magic a lot. I've been using one or two products of theirs since years and they performed well. At least till the time you're using them, they do perform well. So for the very first time, I'm using the under eye cream from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic, and I'm also using their, let me show it to you just a second, also using their vitamin C skin brightening gel as a part of my uh, morning routine, but I've not done my morning routine today. And then I'm also trying this Giorgio hair protectant spray, heat protector spray again. So this one is more handy for travel. That's why I'm going to be carrying this. It's already in my set of pouches that I'm going to be traveling with. So that is another product that I've bought from Nykaa. And I'm trying the Minimalist Glycolic Acid. I've run out of the ordinary one. And honestly, I think ordinary is getting more costly. So I wanted to switch to a lesser costly option. So Glycolic Acid from Minimalist it is. The other one that I'm trying is, again, I'm going to be trying this for the very first time. This one is still unopened. It's the B12 Plus Repair Complex, a face moisturizer. And let's see how this works for me. Then comes a free product from Minimalist that came along. This is their multi-product kit, which has a shampoo, a hair mask, and a hair serum. If you see it says not for sale, so this one is a freebie. I also got, for some reason, I got 2 tote bags as a freebie, which I'm not complaining about. Thank you, Minimalist. And this is my restock of my concealer, the Magic Eraser from, sorry, the Instant Age Rewind Eraser, the multi-use concealer from Maybelline. I am a Maybelline girly out and out. Then comes the Etude pencil. I'm sorry if you're picking up the background noises. I'm really sorry, but please bear with me, please. A Nykaa lipstick for free. Maybe because it's my birthday month, that's why I got this for free as a Nykaa free gift. And I opened this and I'm not very happy about the shade. And This never changes with Nykaa, right? They tend to send you the wrong shade every time. I think someone who is fairer than me would be able to use this as a perfect nude in their vanity, but not me. It is just washing me out. So let's see. This one is now my go-to compact powder for all those who are not able to use the MAC products and the L'Oreal products for that matter on a daily basis, and you want something more cheaper, more cost effective, because you're just practically wearing those for a matter of 2 hours or maximum 3 hours. This performs really well. I'm very happy about this, and I actually got my shade, so I am not complaining. This is number 05 shade name Nutmeg from Mars Compact HD Compact Powder, and it stays on, and it is literally my skin shade, so I'm really happy I got this. So this is another one. The other thing that I got is, yes, so I'm keeping the best product for the last, is this iconic 3-in-1 express styler. I I've been traveling with my hair straightener far too long now, almost a decade, and I'm not complaining. It was an iconic one and it's still running very fine. However, I just needed a new thing in my vanity, so this is it. I'm just quickly opening it up to show it to you. So this is the styler, or whatever you say, the actual product, uh, which the heads of the styler go. So there are two heads that have been given, and there is a mechanism on this where you just, oh, there you go. This is what you need to do. If you see there's some hair over here, please ignore it. I've used it, I've tested it, and I think I like it a lot. So if you check this out, this is how it comes out. And when we are putting it in, if you just twist it, this switch goes up and it's locked. It won't come off. And the control is right here. And you're supposed to just move this ring around to control it from off to cool to medium to high. And you can use this one. And the second one is, just a minute, I'll show it to you. It fell off my hand. Is this one. So this goes here, and I've used it. It's quite handy, and in fact it's really travel friendly, because if I were to travel this as a whole piece, it obviously is very bulky. So the good part about this is that I can pack this in my bag and I can throw these in separately. So it definitely does work very well, and I got it at a really good price. So it also gives you a little manual about how it's going to work, and I really like it. I saw a lot of girls raving about it on the Nykaa page, and I got very excited, and I thought that this should be in my vanity. So this is what I got from the Nykaa. So this is what I got from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, guys. And apart from that, I think I am missing out on something, but maybe in my next video I'll be able to cover it better. So that's it, guys. Let me know how did you like my haul, and whether you have any opinions on any of these products. So do let me know, guys, and I'll see you next time in the next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, or comment or share, or do at least one thing to help me out. Yeah. Okay, thanks, beauties. Bye.